In this lesson, we'll be talking about multiplying binomials by using the area method. There are two steps to multiplying binomials using the area method. The first one is to find the area of each small box. The second step is to find the area of the large box by combining the areas of all four smaller boxes. Let's take a peek at what that means. In the first example, I want to multiply the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 2. What I do first is create a box, split it into 4 sections, and it doesn't matter if you start on top or start on the side, but I put x plus 4 and I put x plus 2. What I'm going to do next is multiply my sides of my boxes to find the areas of the smaller boxes. So if I have x times x, the smaller box is x squared. If I'm looking at this box right here, I have x times 4, which is 4x. If I'm looking at this box right here, I have 2 times x, which is 2x. And in my last box, I have 2 times 4, which is 8. If I combine my terms to write out the whole expression, x squared does not combine with any other terms. If you notice the diagonals combine, 4x plus 2x is 6x, and 8 stands alone. It doesn't combine with anything else. This right here is my final answer. X plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 2 distributed is x squared plus 6x plus 8. Now if I want to do x plus 3 times x plus 5, make yourself a box. On the top I'm going to do x plus 3. On the left hand side I will do x plus 5. If I multiply to find this top left box, it's x times x, or x squared. The top right box is x times 3, or 3x. The bottom left box is 5 times x, or 5x. And the bottom right box is 5 times 3, or 15. If you notice once again, my x squared does not combine with anything. However, my two diagonals combine. 5x plus 3x is 8x, and my 15 again stands alone. This is my answer. Looking at our third example, we need to be careful when we're labeling our sides. On the top I'm going to multiply x plus 4, but notice I'm multiplying that by the quantity of x minus 3. So on the left hand side I'm going to put my x on top and my minus 3 on the bottom. If I multiply my top left box, that's x times x, or x squared. My top right box is 4 times x, or 4x. My bottom left box is negative 3 times x, which is negative 3x. And my bottom right box is negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12. Once again, you'll notice there's a pattern here. X squared does not combine with anything. However, once again, my two diagonals combine. Negative 3x plus 4x is plus 1x, or I'm just going to write plus x. Negative 12 doesn't combine with anything. My final answer being x squared plus x minus 12.